Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain ONSTAR Guardian app review to see which what you're using. So let's get started with a in-depth app review about ONSTAR Guardian. So let's get started. ONSTAR Guardian is a safety-focused app that offers a crash detection 24/7 emergency service, roadside assistance, and real-time location sharing for up to 7 family members. It works with any vehicles and include features like automatic crash alert, direct access to OnStar advisors, and navigations to family members. The service is especially useful for drivers who want round-the-clock support outside of their vehicle's built-in system. However, the app has issues. Users report high battery drain, unreliable GPS tracking, and billing problem. At around $15 per month, it also considered expensive, especially when smartphones already include crash detection and basic location sharing. Here's the overall conclusion about this platform. The app simply worth it for families seeking a full-time safety coverage and a roadside help, but not ideal if you already use phone-based tools or want better value for the price. And that's it.